I started here as an apprentice, straight out of high school. I think 2 days after graduation, I decided to keep my head down and work hard. Started asking those questions, what do I need to do to excel in my career? And started taking on more and more responsibility, and now I'm a foreman at Ennis Electric. I went to Patriot High School and attended the CTE program there. It was really one of the first times that I got hands-on learning with plumbing, electric, and general framing. You know, I think as a 16-year-old in high school, just having the ability to learn inside the school how to work with your hands and your mind to be able to ultimately branch out and work construction as a career was very beneficial to me, and I know a lot of my classmates. From there, I found out about Ennis Electric and was grateful enough to be hired on with them and went through their apprenticeship program. College just wasn't the right choice for me because I knew that I was a hands-on learner. They gave me 4 years of a solid apprenticeship, and I learned a lot on the field, learned a lot in the classroom, and it helped not just give me a good job, but at the end of the day, a good career. Any high school kids out there that want to go through an apprenticeship or even thinking about going through an apprenticeship, give it a shot. I mean, you're gonna literally get paid to learn.